Hey guys, Brian and Aaron here from 5 to Go. We are at the Ocala RV show, and we are wandering around just kind of filming a bunch of random stuff. And we felt like this one deserved its own episode. This is a super unique and super interesting layout for like a couple's trailer. This could just live in your driveway, or you could even full time in this. There's plenty of storage, but interesting layout. Let's go check it out. This is the Coachmen Spirit 2565 FK. First thing, FK means front kitchen. So I'm actually, while she gets up in there, I'm going to show this. This is the pass-through storage in the front. It's actually the underneath of the kitchen sink and the plumbing and all of that in here. So this is interesting. I haven't seen that before. And then up in here, let me follow Aaron in. So we have a couch. Yes. Right? Just a couch for two people here.
Actually, it's theater seating.
Oh yeah, okay. So it's got the arm that pops down with the cup holders.
These recline.
Yep.
So,
and then the TV is right here by the door. And again, this FK front kitchen. Look at all of these windows and the light and the counter space. Like, you could cook a feast in here.
You could.
And like Aaron and I have talked about before, we love entertaining. We love having friends over to hang out. You could put a couple extra chairs in here. There's this bar here. You could have a couple more bar stools around the edge. You could have 3 couples in here hanging out, cooking food, hanging out outside. Super nice layout. Fridge is over there, which I like because it's out of the way and not really eating up a lot of wall space that could be used for something else otherwise.
And it opens to the kitchen instead of opening this way. Like, I like that. That was thoughtful.
And then, can you reach up and do that window shade? Because that was closed when we came in here a minute ago. And it makes such a huge difference. So cool. And there's one on the front window too. So that's really neat. I like that upper one. But the one thing we do have concerns. We don't know how durable those are. Like, if you drive around a lot, like, are those going to catch rocks? Are they going to get leaks around the front? Because it's going to take a lot of wind, a lot of buffeting, a lot of... it's going to endure a lot of stress when you're driving it around. So we don't know about those, but we do like them.
But... can you just imagine being in here, like, making soup with, like, it raining, and you just hear the rain? And
well, it's about to rain, so...
I think that'd be so great.
So these are the cabinets into that, like, pass-through storage up front.
Yes.
So, yeah, it's weird.
But you could put your cleaning supplies here like you normally have.
Or the trash.
Refrigerator.
You can put the trash in there, and then when it gets full, you just pull it out from outside. Yeah. So there's a cabinet here. Is this like a kind of pantry?
Yes.
Okay.
Pantry for 2.
Big sink, lots and lots and lots of counter space.
And stuff to look at while you're washing dishes.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, because there's no dishwasher in here. The dishwasher is Brian, as usual. So I would at least be able to stand here and look out the front window.
Yes.
Teeny tiny microwave. I would take that little wall out, put a full convection in there, like a 1.9 cubic foot would be awesome in there. Take that out, put an induction cooktop in there.
We're already making
We've got plans, man.
We got plans already.
We are ready. So I like the bar.
Yes.
I like the seating at the bar so someone could sit here and be chatting while someone else is cooking. What is this? We got a coat closet. Maybe. Nah, it's just shallow storage.
Old things.
Yep. Controls are up high. Doesn't matter because there really aren't going to be kids in here with you.
Nope.
There is coat hooks here on this wall because there's really nothing else you could do with that wall.
Right.
Okay, so this is where this becomes really cool.
Yeah, and this is a big sliding door, so you don't have to show off your bedroom to everybody who comes to your house.
Yeah, but I would call this like a mid-bedroom.
Mid-bed, yeah. You're right over the wheels.
Yeah. So actually, it's going to be the most stable part if you are sensitive to the RV moving around. We are right over top of the axles. This is a king bed on a slide in a travel trailer.
It is.
That is not something that you see very often.
Nope.
And I like it. Lots of windows. How are we on the CPAP shelf?
CPAP shelf is lacking.
Yeah.
And
so there's USB over there.
USB-C.
Do we have any 110 in here? There's nothing down here. Nothing underneath.
Oh, there's a plug here.
All right, so there's 110 over here.
So this is your side, and we'll just make that a little bit deeper.
Yeah, could figure something else out.
Yep, because the bed moves, so you could build it out a little bit.
Yeah. Lots of storage over here.
Lots of storage.
So we just got cabinets, drawers, a cabinet up high here. This is open, which is interesting. I'm not sure what you would, like, there's a plug here. Like, they were thinking that something goes here. Your bedroom coffee maker, yes. Yeah, I guess, sure, no.
No.
There's another TV backer up here if you like to watch TV in the bedroom. There's there are 2 ACs in here. Yeah, there's one behind me in the kitchen and one here in the bedroom.
You wouldn't need any more than that. It's not a big one. This does have washer dryer hookup.
So you can put
a combo
unit.
Yep. The only issues you put all the soap in up here.
And most of the models, yeah.
So Brian would have to do all the laundry.
Or there'd be a little stool, a little like step stool.
A little stool for me to do the laundry.
Now hold on. So in our 312, in our first RV, in the 312, the washer, we had a combo unit washer and dryer. Mm-hmm. Was it lower than that?
It was a little bit lower than this.
But not much.
I think it was down here.
Like you were...
I was able to
because there were 2 drawers and a vent underneath it.
Though you know what? I couldn't see. Well, I just moved the spigot and opened the thing and then pushed the button like to let the stuff out, and I just counted like 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I couldn't see where it was going, but I knew it was in the right place, I guess.
Okay, you know what? Even better. Just install a mirror up here.
Oh, there you go.
So you can see down and see where you're putting stuff.
Yeah. And Brian and I were kind of talking. If it's just the 2 of us, I don't know that I would waste the space on a washer and dryer because I actually don't mind going to the laundromat. It's kind of peaceful and
when it's just 2 adults, like right now we basically have 3 adults and 2 large children.
Yes.
Because we have a teenager that's bigger than she is. So yeah, that's a lot of laundry.
She's taller.
But just the 2 of us, yeah. Like I wear 2 pairs of pants a week and a shirt a day. Like we really don't generate a lot of laundry. This does have the barrel ceilings, which I just noticed. Yeah. So it's lower on the edges and kind of arcs up in the middle. It just gives you a little bit more head space down the middle, a little bit more visual space, which I do like. And then a huge bathroom. I'm going to guess from here to the rear wall is 6 feet.
Okay.
Like maybe 5.5, 6 feet. Okay. It is large.
It's very, very large. Plastic sinks, and we do not need 2 sinks ever. Brian and I don't.
So so plastic sinks I would replace anyway because
So we might just take this out.
Put a new
countertop in, 1 sink, and then storage space over here.
1 nice sink with a nice faucet, and then just counter space. Yeah. Because Aaron needs a lot of space for things.
Things and stuff.
But tons of floor space to get changed, to use the toilet.
I mean, really, are you changing in here if it's just the 2 of us?
Probably not.
Okay.
But
if you wanted to,
lots of floor space, right? Like that's the whole point.
Go all the way to the wall. These are super deep. They're kind of like our cabinets now in our Jayco.
Yeah.
That things just get lost back in there.
Yeah. But it's where you put the things you don't need super often.
Right. But every once in a while.
Yep.
And the shower is not bad.
Honey, where's the carpet cleaner? And it's all the way in the back.
Yep. Would replace this with something nicer, obviously, and nicer here. But the size is fine.
So it's interesting. I don't know. I have a theory on these things. Like the manufacturers are paying like $3 for those things. Pay double that. It's not going to change the cost of the coach, and it's going to be so much nicer.
Yep.
But big shower. Right? Do you want to close it?
No.
No, she doesn't want to close it.
It's warm in there.
Okay, it's warm.
It's warm.
We could totally rock this.
Oh, absolutely. We could do this full time, just the 2 of us.
Yep. And you could do it easily, super comfortably with a 1/2-ton truck.
Yep.
Or an SUV if you wanted. Like I think this was 6 or 7,000. No, actually, the thing is right here.
The places I want to go, we need a truck.
Dry weight 64. So gross is probably in the low 7s. Yeah. Easily 1/2-ton. Yeah.
The places I want to go, I want a truck to take us over there.
Do you want like a beefed up Tacoma, so we could tow this and go off roading?
Sure, Brian.
That's the right word.
Okay. Yeah, I like this. What do you guys think? Would you be able to do this? Obviously, just 2 people. There's always sleeps 2. I kind of like this. This kitchen is. I would cook in this kitchen.
Hold on, wait. I do have that on video now.
Yes, I would.
Would you clean up after cooking?
That is not what I said. I said I would cook in this kitchen. I am not a cleaner of kitchen things.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yeah, super cool. I like it. Again, this was the Coachmen Spirit 2565 FK.
Front kitchen.
I like it. I like it a lot.
If you have one of these, tell us and let us know about those windows and maybe what you do and don't like. Because I
but
like
guys, a king bed on a slide in a trailer.
I like
huge bathroom.
Yeah.
Like
we're still like cool. 9 years away from this, so it's okay. It's okay.
We'll get there.
One day.
We'll get there. All right. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.
See you in the next one.
Bye.